Alright, ladies and gentlemen, Fab's in the house. And today we're gonna do a quick comparison review between the Spyderco PM3 and the Spyderco Native 5. Both of these are sprint runs. This is in S35VN and this is in Thor Damasteel, so not the regular versions, but what I'm gonna say is gonna be valid also for the basic model, regardless of this the fanciness of these two guys. So let's check them out. For example, the closed position, you've got your Native, which is a little bit shorter, like its length is 4 inches or like 102 millimeters. PM3 is going to be 4.3 inches or 109 millimeters. The open position, also the Native, is going to be a little bit smaller, with the 7-inch length and or like 177 millimeters, and the PM3 is going to be 7.3 inches or 184 millimeters. In fact, you can see just a little bit longer over here. Blade is the same, so 3 and 3 inches or 75 millimeters, as well as the regular weight for both regular version, which is the G10, which is going to be 3 ounces or 85 grams. This guy, you know, it's in carbon fiber, so it's going to save a couple of grams, which is going to be like 2.8 ounces or 79 grams. You know, both have a full flat grind. The PM3 has, you know, the plunge grind extending over the hole, whereas the Native is just a full flat grind with no extension above the hole. The Native also is sporting a nice swedge over here, whereas the PM3 is just it's absent. You just have this flat edge for the spine. Then main difference, of course, is going to be the kind of lock. The PM3 has a compression lock right over here, and the Native 5 is just sporting a lock back over here. So very, very different locking mechanism. Both are going to be pretty sturdy. Also, another difference is that the Native is employing 3 screws, so 1 for the pivot, 2 for the handle, and the PM3 just 1 screw for the pivot, 1 screw for the handle, and just a pin right over here. So quite different. Also, you have different lanyard holes. So PM3, you can use a bigger paracord than on this guy. And also another difference, like quite substantial, is that the PM3 has liners, like stainless steel liners on the inside, whereas the Native doesn't. It just has just regular carbon fiber scales, no liners on the inside. Also, something different is the hole size. You see that there you go, the PM3 has a bigger hole than the Native, and also, you know, something that it's probably the most striking difference is that handle to blade ratio, this guy is gonna win, because, you know, the PM3 is quite infamous to have a short blade compared to the handle because of this lanyard hole over here, which is eating out basically this chunk of handle, therefore, you know, reducing the ratio, the handle blade ratio. So there you have it. Hope you guys enjoyed this quick comparison review between the Native 5 and Para 3. Thanks for watching and stay tuned.